That's the fun stuff. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, basically what I'd like to be able to do, Savannah, is kind of go through each one of these rules. I'm not going to go through it separately. I will combine a lot of these rules because basically the problems that you guys are going to be doing today is going to incorporate multiple of the rules. But what I want to do is just kind of go through some of these rules just to kind of get some practice and access for you, Stephen. So the main important thing that I want you guys to understand here is the first thing we're going to do is the product rule. And basically what the product rule tells us we can do is that when we are multiplying, when we multiply exponents, we have to make sure they have the same base. As you guys can see in my rules here, they have both have the base of x, right? So I can only multiply, I can only combine exponents that have the same base. And when they have the same base, then I simply just add their powers. So 2 and 3 are not exponents. Well, we can write them as exponents, but we can just multiply those. So it would be 2 times 3. Then I'm going to multiply the x squared times x to the 4th, y cubed times y to the negative 2nd, and then times z to the 0 power times z. Now, obviously, if you guys look at your rules of exponents, you can see there actually is a rule that we can use with negative exponents, and there is a rule with 0, with a power raised to the 0 power. But I'm not really going to be concerned about that for right now, because if I just use the product rule here, I have 6, then I have x to the 2 plus 4 times y to the 3 plus negative 2 times z to the 0 plus 1. And therefore, as I now just add the powers, I have 6 x to the 6th, y to the first power, which is just y, and times z to the first power. And that is your simplified answer. OK?